Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact browser used for the private session. This is important because Incognito data lives transiently in that process. Once done, check Task Manager to ensure no hidden browser processes remain and close them. This forces session data to be released. Make sure you're not signed into extensions or services that sync history, otherwise they can retain traces. Now you're ready to proceed to the more detailed removal steps for caches, cookies, and downloads. Once the browser is fully closed, open Settings to clear browsing data. Choose the time range of all time and include cache, cookies, and site data, because Incognito leaves temporary files there until process end. Next, inspect your Downloads folder and delete any files saved during the session, then empty your recycle bin or trash to remove recoverable traces. If you used extensions that log activity, disable or remove them now, since they may have stored records outside the private session. Finish by flushing the DNS cache, for example, run ipconfig/flushdins on Windows, and deleting system temp files because some resolvations or proxies can log accesses. Make sure to reboot the machine and the router to clear volatile network caches. This helps if a network device logged activity. If you still see traces, use trusted privacy tools or consult system logs to find persistent records. Troubleshoot. If records persist, check synced accounts and extension data. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.